Can be good for my lungs.
This is the PV right here.
Blood face.
I'm saying, man.
Bam. Hooked up.
Whippy, you know what time it is? Today we're out on Lake Texoma with Brandon Dillard. Okay, I'll link him down in the description below. This is not gonna be a very B-roll oriented video. It's gonna be kind of raw fishing right here. We're doing a little bit of a night fishing session. Hopefully we can catch some smallies. If that doesn't work, maybe some striper. But yeah, it's gonna be some raw fishing, so stay tuned. Okay guys, first one of the night. This is a nice smallmouth right here. This is the PV right here. Because I've never caught smallmouth before. Yeah, that's the first one of the night. It's not even past dark yet, and we're already catching them, man. We're in like 4 foot of water, man. This is fun. So stay tuned, man. Because if this is the start, who knows what the finish is. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
Second one, bro.
Another brown one.
Yes, sir.
That thing's
3?
warm.
I know, dude. It's a freaking jacuzzi out here.
90 degrees, baby.
90 degrees. It's hot.
Still getting it done.
But we're still catching them.
Let's go, baby.
Hell
on the
yeah.
chatterbaits, on the chatterbaits.
Yeah.
Get the release on that one.
Ready?
There she goes.
That's all she wrote. I'm new to this whole entire cameraman thing, you know?
What are you doing, cameraman?
Dude, we're trying to
There
film
we
a
go.
video
There
here.
you go.
Okay.
Cameraman!
It's the garlic that gets it done.
Oh yeah, it is the garlic that gets it done, baby.
Line. Is this your line or somebody else's line?
Hey.
We just caught a crankbait and a bass.
That is the best catch of the day right
All
there,
right,
baby.
grab the. He freaking ate it.
Oh my god, he hammered that.
Ooh.
The bugs out here are
Oh
relentless.
no.
6 cents crankbait and a smallmouth.
Let's go, baby.
cast.
We are fishing them chatterbaits with some garlic scent to them.
Jackhammers.
And that's the money right there, boys.
Classic shimmer
That's the
shad,
money.
baby.
Little PB&J action.
I gotta get into
PB&J
that.
action. There you go, baby. We're catching them.
Look at the gar.
Oh,
Look at the gar.
Yeah, son. Oh yeah.
right into the boat.
Smear hook set right there. Look at that, boys.
Brandon Dillard special.
That's
God.
a Brandon Dillard special right there.
Choked it, baby.
Blood face.
I'm just saying, man. Hey, y'all want some of this action, man? We're gonna tag him down below. Cause I mean, he catches them, man. He catches
you on
them. He put me on him. So if that's saying anything, I don't know, man.
And he's gone.
Just like that.
Epic fail.
Thumbs down for that one. 0 stars.
I'm really delayed on this camera, actually. I don't even lie. There's some healthy fish.
Oh,
Right on the
Well, bam!
That's a fish landing left. Violation of the MLS.
Chill out, little man. Chill out.
2-minute penalty.
Bam, baby.
Another one in the boat. Just like
Brandon
that.
Dillard's double digit guide service right there.
The hammer.
Beautiful smallmouth. Texoma.
Watch out.
This is gonna be that Dobbins Champion XP, and then we're gonna be throwing just a little dark color chatterbait. I mean, I'm not catching them, but Brandon is. So whatever.
That's called the Heights Hot Craw.
It's height craw.
Hot Craw.
Heard it here first, folks. That is the juice. That is the juice.
Got him.
Bam. Hooked up. Bam.
Brandon bringing home dinner.
Is that the lake record?
This
Right
is
there.
the Lake Record stripper.
Okay, guys. So right now we are just flipping for some striper. Okay, pretty heavy duty flipping we're doing right here. We're just having fun at this point. Okay, we caught all the giant smallmouth that we could ever desire in the world. So yeah, now we are going to come flip some of the structure and try to hook onto. Oh, he's on. He's on. Live action. This right here is a trophy fish. This is one of the hardest fish to ever catch in your life. Okay, you'll only see about 3 of these. This is like
Fish
a
of
tiger
1,000 casts.
that is the fish of 1,000 casts right there, ladies and gentlemen. This is some prime fishing at 2 in the morning. Okay, it doesn't get much better than this. So if you're this far into the video, man, make sure to go like and subscribe. That's all I can say. You want more of this type of content,
You gotta like it.
you gotta like it. Okay guys, that's a wrap for Texoma. I hope you guys liked that. That was all the fish catches you can get for like a month or so out with Brandon. I'll link him down below. He'll get you on some fish. And remember, socials are linked down below. If you made it this far into the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps us. That's a wrap. We had a fun time. We caught them on chatterbaits. Okay, Nothing real special about it. We might start night fishing now, 'cause it's pretty fun. But until next time, I'll see you later.